Hello YouTube, hope all you guys doing very well. Today we have very interesting fault from this vehicle. It's a Cadillac 6.2 liter engine, and our technician will told you about the story of this vehicle and the issue. The main thing is we will tell you the main problem with this vehicle. So if any of you having same issue, you should look for this faults, and hopefully you will find the solution. Yes.
So hi everyone, today I will tell you a little story about this car. This is one of my friend's car. He's from Brazil. So every time he come to us for his work, for the work on the car, everything. But this time the car went bad somewhere far away from the city, and he called the tow truck, and that tow truck guy said that he knew a very well professional garage, so he will take the car there. So long story short,
No, first tell us. Yeah.
was not starting. When the car starts, it's little shaky, and when you turn off the switch and turn the second time switch on the car, it's not starting.
And
at
what
all.
codes we are getting on scanner?
It was the code about crankshaft and camshaft correlation code. So we diagnose all the sensors, everything. Fuel comes okay, injectors are working fine, oxygen sensor, everything okay. But when you find the code like this, you have to check the chain first. But the previous workshop where the road truck guy take the vehicle, they open the chain cover and inspect for the timing. Then timing was good, so they put everything back. And after 3 weeks, this guy called me and says the car is not good, and the workshop, I don't know how they are working on my car, so I want to bring it to you. So I call him, okay, you can bring the car and I will see. After diagnosing everything, the last thing we agreed upon is open the chain cover again and find the problem, what's inside. And once we open everything, we found two issues. The first issue was, this is the bolt for the camshaft phaser, and it got a little spring inside and like a wall. When the solenoid, this solenoid in the chain cover, it pushes this wall inside for the cam to go at once. So this wall was stuck like this. It was not working like this, it was stuck. Whenever the fitting presses it, it's stuck inside. Then we remove it, tap it little bit, and it's working now, but we will change this one. And the second thing was the cam phaser, it's broken. So we are going to replace this bolt, the cam phaser itself, and the chain pad was also broken. Now the interesting thing here is, when you need to remove this part, it sits here behind the oil pump, and the bolts, when you open the bolts, they will touch here. So you cannot remove the bolts because you have to remove the oil pump first. For removing the oil pump, you have to remove the crankcase. To remove the crankcase, steering box, front differential, everything is going to come out. So the thing we did here, we loosen up the bolts till here, and with the help of angle grinder, we just put our angle grinder inside here and cut off the heads from the bolt. So these are the bolts without the heads, and just with the help of a plier, remove the bolts and the chain cover comes right off. And now for the installing part, we will put two bolts little bit smaller than this one. That will work fine, no problem, and you can do it without removing anything. Just remove the chain pad with the bolts and you are
So
fine.
the main thing is our viewers can change their chain pads without removing
The oil pan,
the oil pan, the
front
steering,
differential.
the front differential, and they can save lot of money
Yes.
and lot of time. So in this video you learn two things. First of all, the car was not starting due to improper timing, which is
because of the bolt and the phaser, camshaft phaser.
yes. And the second thing you learned, you can change the chain pads without removing all the parts
You can see what when the bolts are inside. Suppose there's
So-
a head, so you can see how long the bolts are, and even you put a bolt little bit smaller,
you have plenty
it
of
will work.
space. Yeah.
It will work fine.
So for these two bolts, you need to remove everything by doing this method. You can change the chain pads without removing any of that parts underneath the car. So please do subscribe to my channel. Hope you like the video.